In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn about sectors and arcs. So if we take our arc, we're given the angle, we're given the radius, and also the length of the arc. So that's from this point A all the way around to point B. To find the area of a sector, it's theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. To find the length of an arc, theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. So what we will notice is that this is the formula that we use to find the area of a circle. And this is the formula that we use to find the length of a circle, or the circumference. So really we're finding a fraction of that area. And the fraction comes from the angle divided by 360 degrees. So let's talk about the fractions that these sectors make. So what fraction of the area of a complete circle is each of these sectors? Okay, so we'll take the green sector first. This is 90 degrees divided by 360. So to simplify the fraction, we get 1 over 4. So we can clearly see that this looks like a quarter of a circle. So to find the area of this, we would find a quarter of the area of the full circle. Okay, if we look at the pink one, we have 120 divided by 360. This is equal to 1/3 of the circle. The dark blue is going to be 140 divided by 360. This is 7/18 of the circle. The light blue, 60 over 360. This is 1/6 of the full circle. And then the orange, 30 over 360. This is 1/12 of the full circle. So that really explains why we have theta over 360 in our formula. Okay, so let's work on finding the area of each of these sectors and the length of their arcs. Okay, so first of all, our area. So to recall the formula, it's going to be the angle divided by 360, which gives us the fraction, multiplied by the formula for area, so pi r squared. Okay, so the first one, the green sector, we have 90 divided by 360, multiplied by pi r squared. So for pi, we're going to use 3.14 multiplied by the radius squared. So that's 3 squared. So we just take it one step at a time. 90 divided by 360 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 9. So 90 over 360 multiplied by, so 3.14 multiplied by 9. This will give us 28.26. So the area of our sector is going to be 7.065. And because it's area, it's going to be centimeters squared. So now let's find the length of the arc. So L for length is equal to the angle divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So we have 90 over 360 again, multiplied by 2 by 3.14 by 3. So even if we want to simplify this fraction, it's a quarter multiplied by 18.84. So we get 4.71, and that's centimeters. So pause the video at this stage and see if you can find the area and the length of the arc for the blue sector and for the orange sector. We can also be asked to find the perimeter of these shapes. So we have to think really that what we need to do is find the length plus the radius on both sides. Okay, here again we're going to find the length of this sector plus the radius by 2. And for the final sector we're going to find the length again plus the radius by 2. Okay, so for the perimeter, when we were looking at shapes before, we said we start at a point and we work our way around. Okay, so the first shape, we're going to find the length. So L is equal to 70 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So we'll fill in the rest of our details. So 70 over 360, that's going to simplify down to 7 over 36 multiplied by 2 by 3.142 by the radius, which is 3. So 7 over 360 multiplied by 18.852. So I'm going to round to 2 decimal places, so we get 3.67 centimeters. Okay, so that's the distance from this point here, A, to the point B along this arc. So to find the total perimeter, it's going to be equal to 3.67 plus 3 for the radius from B to the center, plus 3 from the center to A. So we're going to get 9.67 centimeters. Pause the video at this stage to find the perimeter for the arc with 270 degrees and for the arc with 180 degrees. For more information, you can visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and also find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.